What is going on, guys, and welcome back to the channel. So this is my 2006 Corvette. This is a LS2, has a BTR stage 3 cam in it, 6-speed, long tube headers. That's really about it. It's got exhaust off of a 08 C6, so it didn't have the valves in it, but the valves are currently not hooked up, so they just stay open all the time. The only thing I've done to this car is side marker lights. It's got this Z51 badge, which I will be taking off, and the chrome door handles, which have got to go in my opinion. But anyways, guys, this is the Corvette. So you guys have probably seen some of my videos. I have done the BTR stage 3 cam in this thing. Sounds really good. Very, very powerful now. The car put down 463 horsepower, 460 torque to the wheels. So very, very good power gain. Speed engineering headers with their exhaust all the way back to the 08 mufflers. So speed engineering stuff, so far I would say it's very good for the money. I think that kit was $600 something, which is really good for the money. So yeah, let's start this thing up. I'll let you guys hear it, and strap the GoPro to the back of it, go down the road, get some good sound clips of it, and yeah, so let's do it. Sounds really good, and it's pretty loud, especially during the rev, but sounds really good. Front noise isn't too bad, still pretty quiet. Turn the AC on in this thing. It gets to sounding really good. Put that AC on. plastic panels rattling. You know, that's old GM stuff there. But car cruises fine. You know, nothing really crazy. Car drives just as well as it did when it was stock, so pretty happy about that. But yeah, I don't know, I enjoy it. I enjoy it a lot. It's if you're looking at doing a cam, I suggest do it. It's it would definitely wake your car up. So it woke this thing up really. I want to take it to the track. That's where I really want to do it, because the car ran at 8.5 at like 8.4, 8.5. That's the LS2 car, 6-speed. So I, you know, haven't had many 6-speed cars on the track. So, you know, a lot of that's kind of driver error, but it probably could have went a little bit faster. But I want to take it to the track now that I've gotten used to it, and seeing what it does now. Hopefully, it should go off in the 7s in 8th mile, obviously. And so yeah. Maybe that's a video coming up soon. Hope you guys like this video. Please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know what you think about the BTR Stage 3 cam. If you have one in your car, how do you like it? What cam do you have? And yeah, guys, peace.